Hey guys, today I have come here to finding a Bangladeshi man. That's why I have come here. So stay with me. Excuse me, bro.
Yes, bro.
Can I talk with you?
Yes.
So, what's your name?
My name is Arif. And you?
Oh, my name is also Arif. So, what do you do, bro?
I'm a student.
You are a student.
Yes. And you?
I'm a student too. So, what class do you study in?
I study in honors. And you?
That's great. I study degree first year. So, where are you from, bro?
I'm from Bangladeshi. And you?
Oh, bro, I'm also Bangladeshi.
That's good.
Nice to talk to you, bro. Okay. So, what does your father do?
My father is a businessman. And you?
Oh, my father is a farmer. What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher. What about you?
Teacher. Great. My mother is a housewife. So, how many members do you have in your family?
I have 5 members in my family. What about you?
I have four members in my family.
That's good.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. What about you?
I have one brother and one sister.
That's good.
Hey, bro, do you have Facebook account?
Yes, I have Facebook account.
Oh, that's great. Can you give me your Facebook account because sometimes I will talk with you.
Okay, I give you later.
Okay, that's great. You will give me on message, okay?
Okay, I give you one message.
Okay, thank you. And hey, bro, nice to talk to you.
Yes, nice to talk to you.
I want to see you with you later.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay, welcome.
Have a good day.
Okay.
See you again.
See.
Okay. Hey guys, finally I have find a Bangladeshi man. His name is Arif and he's from Bangladesh. So I'm very excited to find that type of people. So take care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz.